Hello all, my name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss about the logical operators in Python programming. We have already discussed about the relational operators in our previous playlist, and today we are going to discuss about the logical operators in Python programming. So there are three logical operators in Python. So the first one is AND, OR, and the third one is not. Okay, so in your school days or a college days you might have studied about AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NOR gate, XOR gate. Okay, so in the same way, like in Python programming, we use the logical operators, and we'll try to perform logical operators in Python programming. So before we understand the logical operators, so now let's try to take an example and let's see like how it performs in Python programming. Okay, for example, what I will do is I will take it as b is equal to. So let's take some situation, like suppose if you are attending any hackathon or any programming contest or any competition. Okay, suppose if you secure a position of first, second and third, then definitely will be eligible for some monetary rewards or any kind of goodies or any kind of prizes. Okay, let's take a example of that. Okay, I will try to give I have defined the variable b, and here I am trying to give some input. I will try to give it as enter the position you have secured in hackathon. Okay, so I will just give it like this, and now what I will do is I will try to use OR gate. Okay, so what I will do is b is equal to int of input enter the position you have secured in hackathon. Okay, suppose if b is equal to 1 or b is equal to 2 or b is equal to not equal to, we are comparing here. Okay, suppose if b comparing 1, b comparing 2 and b comparing 3, print you are eligible for the prize, else print you are not eligible for the prize. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. It is showing invalid syntax. Okay, sorry guys, I missed to give colon there. Okay, I will try to run this particular cell. Suppose if I try to enter 1, 2 or 3 here, then the person is eligible for the prize. Okay, suppose if I try to enter any other number apart from 1 or 2 or 3, then he is not eligible for the prize. Okay, so now let's try to enter the number. I will try to enter it as 2, and now let's try to press enter. So here it is showing as you are eligible for the prize. Okay, so here I have used the logical operator OR. Okay, so I have given certain conditions here, if b whether if b is equal to 1 or if b is equal to 2 or if b is equal to 3. Okay, and now let's try to run this particular cell again, and I will try to give some number. Suppose if the person has secured 5th position in that particular hackathon, and I will try to enter. So he is not eligible for the prize because the condition what I have mentioned here is only if the person has secured the first three position, then only he will be eligible for the prize. Okay, suppose if he will take any other position apart from the first three position, he will not be able to get that price. Okay, so that is the condition I have used, and this is how the logical operators works in Python programming. Okay, so first I have given the variable b is equal to, and I have given the input. So enter the position you have secured in the hackathon, and here I am comparing whether if the position is first position or the second position or the third position. Suppose if the person secures any position from these three, then he will be eligible for the prize, and if a person secures any other position which is greater than 3, then he will not be eligible for the prize. Okay, so this is how it works in Python programming, logical operators.